Hello and welcome to this short video on how to disable physical interfaces on Brother devices. Interfaces including Wi-Fi, wired network, USB and fax interface. And to do it, you will need to access your Brother device's internal web server. So let's begin. Start by typing the IP address of your Brother device into a web browser. This will load its internal web server. From here, type your Brother device's admin password and click the login button. Unless it has been changed, the default admin password can be found at the back of the device. If you are not able to see the login screen because you are seeing this page instead, click the Open Secure Login button. And then from here, click the Advanced button. Please note it might look different in your web browser. And then click the Proceed link underneath. You should now be able to enter your Brother device's admin password and click the login button. Again, unless it has been changed, the default admin password can be found at the back of the device. From here, click the Administrator button. And then find and click the Connection Interface button, where you can now disable any unrequired physical interfaces. To show you what happens when you do disable one or more, I shall now disable the wireless interface, as well as the front USB port. To confirm these changes, I need to click the Submit button, followed by the Yes button to allow my Brother device to restart. But wait! I accidentally disabled the wrong interfaces and cannot access my Brother device anymore. What can I do now? Simply perform a factory reset from the touchscreen to re-enable all the interfaces. Thank you for watching.